So hi everyone, today we are going to see the assembly language program to find whether the number is odd or not. Okay, so let's see the question. The question is, write an assembly language program to find if the number stored in the memory location 4000H is odd or not. So in the 4000H, some number will be stored. Okay, and we have to find whether the number stored in the 4000H is odd or not. Store the odd number to the 3000H. So after finding if the number is odd, we are asked to store that number to the memory location 3000H. Okay, now let's see one example, that suppose the data stored in the 4000H is 0. Suppose the data which is stored in the 4000H is 0. Now to check whether the number is odd or not, we have to first transfer the data from the memory location to the microprocessor, because microprocessor cannot perform any operation on the memory location directly. So first we will transfer the data to the accumulator. For that we will use the instruction LDA 4000H. When we use the LDA 4000H, the data from the 4000H will be transferred to the accumulator. Now after transferring the data, no flag will be set, and after transferring we cannot know whether the number is odd or not, and we can see that the number is actually 0. So before checking the number if it's odd or not, we will have to check first whether the number is 0 or not, because 0 is considered as neither even nor odd. So after transferring the data from the memory location to accumulator, we will first check whether the number is 0 or not. So to check, we will use the instruction that is CPI00H. CPI00H, it means the comparison between 00H and the accumulator will be done. Right now in the accumulator 00H is there, and if we compare, the 0 flag will be set. So when the 0 flag is set, it means the number is 0. So when the number is 0, we are not asked to do anything. So in that case, we will stop the program. We will halt the program. So after comparing the instruction, if the 0 flag is set, we will use the instruction jump 0 to end. Jump 0 to end, and at end, we will stop the program. It means halt. Now, suppose if the number stored in the 4000H is even. For example, the number stored in the 4000H is 32H. Let's see the whole program from the beginning. We will use the instruction LDA 4000H. So when we use the LDA 4000H, the data will be transferred to the accumulator. After that, we will compare this number. Now, if we compare 00H and 32H, obviously 0 flag will not be set. So when 0 flag is not set, in that case the program will not jump to end. When 0 flag is set, in that case the program will jump to end. When 0 flag is not set, the execution of the program will be in the sequence. So when the number is not 0, we have to check if the number is even or odd. Okay? So to check, let me first write this number into binary. So if you convert 32H into binary, you will get 32H, it means it is in hexadecimal. If you convert into binary, 00110010. So in the accumulator, you will get this number. After that, we will perform some operation on the accumulator. We will shift this number right side. So we will use the instruction rotate accumulator right. When we perform the rotate accumulator right, all the bits in the accumulator will be shift one bit to the right side. It means the LSB will be stored to the carry flag. Now you can clearly see that if in the content of accumulator, if the LSB is 0, it means the number is even. Okay? So when we have the even number, in that case the carry will be 0. So when the carry is 0, it means the number is even. And when the number is even, in that case we are not asked to do anything. So again, when the carry flag is 0, in that case we will jump to odd. So after rotating, when the carry flag is 0, it means jump, not carry, because carry is not set. So after rotating, when the carry flag is not set, we will jump, not carry, to end. It means when the carry is not set, we will jump to end, because when carry is not set, the number is even. We are not interested in 0 number or even number. We are interested in odd number. Now suppose the number stored in the memory location is odd number, and let's see whole process from the beginning. So the LDA 4000H, it means the data will be moved to the accumulator 33H. CPI 00H, because this number is not 0 flag will not be set, so the program will not jump to end. We will rotate the content of accumulator right side. So let's represent this number in the binary 00110011. If you rotate, the carry flag will be set. After rotating, what is the next instruction? Jump, not carry, end. It means after rotating, if carry is not set, we will jump to end. But right now the carry is set. It means we will not jump to end. So when the carry is set, what we are going to do? We will store the number to the 3000H, because when the carry is set, it means the number is odd, and we have to store the number to 3000H. Now can we write the instruction STA 3000H directly? So answer is no, we cannot write directly STA 3000H, because we have shifted the number, and when we shifted the number to check if it's odd or not, the whole number is changed. So first of all, we have to shift back the number to the original number. So to shift back, we will use the instruction RAL. So when we use the RAL, the number will be in the original form, then we will store the number and the hold will be done. Okay, so this is how this problem is solved. Now you have to solve by yourself the same problem, but you have to check whether the number is even or not. Okay, and this is it for this session. Thank you so much.